Hi, I'm Donna with Xopax, and today's question is regarding the fuses. How do you change the fuses on your machine if you have an outage? So in your machine, when you purchased your machine, you got this info packet. It has your user manual, some spare wire, a video, and it has this that has an Allen wrench, 2 spare fuses, and then these 2 spacers. So these are the fuses, and how do we find where those go? So I want to show you. On the back of your machine, if you unplug your machine, there's a small drawer right here. Now there's a little piece that you can get a little screwdriver in, and you can just slide that out. You can see the drawer sliding there. So when you slide that all the way out, you get this piece here, and your fuses will just pull right out. And you just put your new fuse in. With your 2 new fuses in place, you simply slide this right back into the same spot, putting that groove in. You just press it with your thumb till it goes all the way in, and that's all there is to it. Thanks.